Our journey begins around 445 million years ago, during the late Ordovician period. During this time, Earth's oceans were teeming with diverse marine life. But then, a significant extinction event struck, known as the End Ordovician extinction. Several factors contributed to this mass extinction, including a drop in sea levels, caused by the formation of massive glaciers that locked away water, and a series of volcanic eruptions, releasing harmful gases into the atmosphere. The drop in sea levels drastically reduced the habitable areas for marine organisms, and the volcanic gases caused climate disruptions, leading to cooling and acidification of the oceans. These environmental changes triggered a cascade of extinctions, affecting many marine species, especially those dependent on shallow waters. Trilobites, a prominent group of arthropods, suffered a significant decline during this period. Moving forward in time to approximately 360 million years ago, we encounter the late Devonian extinction. At this point, life had evolved on land, with early plants and animals adapting to terrestrial environments. During the late Devonian period, Earth experienced climate changes and sea level fluctuations due to tectonic activity and volcanic eruptions. These environmental shifts were major drivers of the extinction event. The cooling climate led to a reduction in biodiversity, particularly affecting marine life such as corals, brachiopods, and ammonoids. Additionally, a decline in oxygen levels in the oceans harmed marine ecosystems. On land, the first forests of early vascular plants appeared, significantly altering the landscape. However, as these plants spread, they depleted atmospheric carbon dioxide, leading to a global cooling effect. This cooling climate affected marine ecosystems, disrupting food chains and leading to the decline of various species, including jawed fishes, which were dominant during the Devonian period.
We now arrive at the most devastating mass extinction event in Earth's history, the Permian Triassic extinction, also known as the Great Dying. Approximately 252 million years ago, this catastrophic event wiped out an estimated 96% of marine species and 70% of terrestrial vertebrate species. The causes of the Great Dying are still the subject of scientific investigation, but several factors likely contributed to the magnitude of this extinction. The eruption of the Siberian Traps, a massive volcanic event, released enormous quantities of greenhouse gases, causing runaway global warming. The greenhouse effect led to extreme climate fluctuations, including scorching temperatures and acidification of the oceans. Ocean anoxia, a lack of oxygen in the waters, further decimated marine life. On land, vast areas of forests were destroyed, leading to widespread habitat loss and disrupting the balance of ecosystems. Many terrestrial organisms, including reptiles and amphibians, faced dire consequences. The Great Dying had far-reaching consequences, altering the trajectory of life's evolution. It took millions of years for ecosystems to recover from this devastating event. Our journey now takes us to approximately 201 million years ago, during the Triassic Jurassic period, where another mass extinction occurred. This event was significant but less severe compared to the Permian Triassic extinction. The Triassic Jurassic extinction likely resulted from a combination of factors. Prolonged volcanic activity, similar to the earlier Siberian Traps eruption, released more greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, causing warming and changes in climate patterns. The warming climate led to rising sea levels, which inundated coastal areas and reduced available habitats for marine organisms. Additionally, changes in ocean circulation disrupted marine ecosystems. On land, many large amphibian species vanished, paving the way for the rise of dinosaurs as the dominant terrestrial vertebrates. Despite its impact, the Triassic-Jurassic extinction allowed new life forms to emerge, setting the stage for the diversification of dinosaurs and other groups. Finally, we arrive at one of the most famous mass extinction events, the Cretaceous Paleogene extinction, approximately 66 million years ago. This event is notorious for its association with the demise of the dinosaurs. The leading theory behind this extinction event involves a cataclysmic impact event. An asteroid or comet colliding with Earth, the impact released a tremendous amount of energy, causing global wildfires, tsunamis, and a nuclear winter effect. The nuclear winter phenomenon was caused by the massive amounts of debris and dust thrown into the atmosphere by the impact, blocking sunlight and causing a dramatic cooling of the planet. The sudden and extreme changes in climate had catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. The extensive wildfires, along with the nuclear winter, led to the destruction of habitats and a significant loss of biodiversity. The impact event also triggered massive tsunamis, causing further destruction along coastal regions. The iconic dinosaurs, among other groups of organisms, were unable to survive these drastic changes, and the once dominant reptiles vanished from the face of the Earth.
Throughout our journey, we've uncovered the 5 major mass extinction events that have profoundly impacted life on Earth. These catastrophic events, though devastating, have also shaped the course of evolution, allowing new life forms to emerge and flourish. Understanding these past extinction events is crucial in safeguarding the diversity of life on our planet today. As we continue to explore and study Earth's history, may we strive to protect and preserve the remarkable tapestry of life that surrounds us.